Hello, welcome. Let us have a look on equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction are fractions that have the same value but different name. We can get equivalent fraction by either dividing or multiplying the given fraction. Example, let us have a look on question number 1. We need to find the equivalent fraction of 3/11. Let us start by multiplying by 2, numerator and denominator. Multiply by 2, and here multiply by 2. We are going to get 6/22. 6/22 is equivalent fraction of 3/11. 6/22. Let us multiply 3/11 by 3, numerator and denominator. Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. We are going to get 9/33. This also is equivalent of 3/11. 9/33. 3/11 multiplied by 4/4. We are going to get 12/44. This is another equivalent fraction. 12/44. So we can have infinite number of equivalent fraction. Let us do question number 2. We're supposed to find equivalent fraction of 8/12. Here we can use division or we can use multiplication, since there is a common factor between 8 and 12. Let us divide by 4, numerator and denominator. Divide by 4, we get 2. 12 divided by 4, we got 3. So 2/3 is equivalent fraction of 8/12. 2/3. We can get other equivalent fraction by multiplication. Let's take 2/3, multiply by 2, and down here multiply by 2. We are going to get 4/6. 4/6 also is equivalent fraction of 8/12. Let us take 2/3, multiply by 3/3. We are going to get 6/9. This is another equivalent fraction of 8/12. 6/9. We can see here we can get infinite number of equivalent fraction by multiplying. So we have infinite number of equivalent fraction. Let us do question number 3. They have given to us 3/7 is equal to a box over 42. They need us to fill the number in the box. This is equivalent fraction. So what we're going to do, what number they multiply by 7 to get 42? We can see here they multiply the denominator by 6. So here they multiply by 6/6, from which they get 7 multiplied by 6, they get 42. And 3 multiplied by 6, we are going to get 18. Let us do question number 4. They give us 5/box. This is equal to 25/30. We are going to look, they multiply by what number to 5 to get 25. Here they multiply by 5 and they get 25. To get the number in the box, we are going to take 30 divided by 5, which we are going to get 6. 6 multiplied by 5, we got 30. Hope you get idea on how to find the equivalent fraction. To find the equivalent fraction, we can use either multiplication or division. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.